Dispense 1 pump of the HY-SCULPT liquid bronzer onto the back of your hand and distribute it with a finger. Then use a face brush to pick up the liquid bronzer, ensuring the bristles are evenly coated before buffing it onto the skin for the smoothest and most beautiful blurred finish. For a sculpted look, apply it onto the higher cheekbones, temples, forehead, and jawline. Don't forget to blend downwards towards the neck for a seamless transition. You can also sculpt the sides of your nose with a smaller brush. For a sun-kissed look, continue applying onto the apples of the cheeks and to the bridge of the nose for the ultimate bronzed complexion. If you prefer placing the HY-SCULPT liquid bronzer onto specific areas before blending, make sure to apply to one section at a time and blend immediately because it sets quite quickly due to its very unique self-setting water-resistant formula. This formula is perfect for a no makeup look when applied after your skincare routine. Pair it with the High Glam Concealer to spot conceal, and then you can always go back with a little bit of the liquid bronzer to tie everything together. The HY-SCULPT liquid bronzer has a mistake-proof and emulsion-like formula, delivering a natural matte finish and high color payoff. It applies in layers effortlessly on top of any other product, whether it's liquid or powder-based, without caking or disrupting anything underneath.